Chapter 2. All of us grow. All of us have different likes and dislikes. Even the food tastes different in different homes. People belonging to different parts of the country like different types of food. Apart from different food habits, we have different choices in the kind of clothes we wear, games we play, and music we listen to. We are all different human beings. So, we have different likes and dislikes. Growing up differently. Our body changes as we grow every day. This growth is because our bones, muscles, and skin are made up of tiny cells. These cells divide and multiply in number daily. This is what leads us to grow bigger and taller with age. There are many people in this world who are not as fortunate as others. All their senses may not be functional. Some people cannot see. They are called visually impaired or visually challenged. How do such people go about their lives? Most blind people use a long cane to feel their way around. There are many special schools also for such people to help them to lead normal lives. People who are unable to use one or more of their senses are called differently abled. Raju and Sohan are same in age, but Raju is taller than Sohan. A blind man using his cane. Do you know? Able disabled all people together. ADAPT is a disabled activist group in India that is helping people with disabilities to live a better life. People who cannot hear are called hearing impaired. People who cannot hear or speak use the sign language to communicate. The sign language involves the movement of hands and fingers to communicate. People who are blind can see with their fingers. They touch your face to read your features and understand how you look like. They are very sensitive to touch. They read text using a special system of lettering called Braille system. It is a system of 6 raised dots arranged in many different combinations to represent different letters of the alphabet, punctuation marks, and even musical notes. It was invented by Louis Braille, who became blind at the age of 3. He developed the Braille script to teach blind children to read and write using their sense of touch to feel the raised dots with the help of their fingers. Thus, their sense of touch replaces the sense of sight. Letters in Braille script. Who made the Braille code? Louis Braille. A blind French boy made the Braille code. His work changed the world of reading and writing for the blind forever. Louis lost his eyesight when he was just 3 years old when a sharp tool hurt his eye. His first ever Braille book was published in 1829 when he was just 15. Now, practically every country in the world uses Braille. Helen Keller was a popular teacher and a learned author. She became deaf and blind when she was only 19 months old. Her teacher, Anne Sullivan, taught her to read. She did so by spelling out words on Helen's palm. Anne also taught Helen to touch a speaker's lips and understand what was being said. Later, Helen learned to read books with the help of Braille. Helen Keller with her teacher, Anne Sullivan. People with special needs. Some of us do not have an arm or a leg. Such people are said to be physically disabled and would need special help such as wheelchairs or ramps for movement. Our likes and dislikes. We are all different human beings. So, we have different likes and dislikes. Your friend may like Chinese food, but you may like Indian food. Similarly, in our family, eating habits are greatly influenced by traditions. For example, people in a vegetarian family will mostly not eat non-vegetarian food. They will also not like the smell of garlic, onion, fish, meat and egg. Some other people like the smell of onion, garlic, fish, meat and eggs. Our likes and dislikes. Today, different kinds of food are available in various parts of India. People's food habits also differ in many parts of the country. However, we must respect other people's food habits even if they are not the same as ours. How does a baby communicate? A baby cries most of the time. It is the parents who understand whether the baby is crying for milk or wants to sleep. Many people also use their hands or facial expressions when they speak. In this way, we see that all the members of a family are different from one another. For instance, someone may have a good sense of humor, while some may have good handwriting. Again, somebody may be a good singer or dancer, or someone may be an excellent cook. Each of us likes to do something in our leisure period. For instance, watching television, painting, learning music, gardening, and reading are some common hobbies. You may like to watch cartoon on television, but your brother may like watching sports. It is important that we respect each other's likes and dislikes. We should not make fun of other people just because they are different. Value voice. We should appreciate the diversity in one another's likes and dislikes as well as food habits. Also, we should empathize with the problems faced by differently abled people. Key words. Ramp. A sloping surface joining two different levels as at the entrance or between the floors of a building. Hearing impaired. People who cannot hear. Physically disabled. Here it means people who cannot walk. Visually impaired. People who cannot see. Let's remember, likes and dislikes of people are different. We can measure someone's height in inches or centimeters. People who cannot see are called visually impaired. Blind people use their sense of touch to read and write. This system is called the Braille system. Braille script was invented by Louis Braille. Helen Keller was blind and deaf, who inspired deaf and blind people to face life's challenges boldly. We should respect the food habits of others even if they are different from ours.